Good morning. Next we will discuss about polygon clipping. So polygon clipping is called this name because this is the case in which we use polygonal clipping windows. So that's why it is called as the polygon clipping. So let's understand what are the basic types of polygon. A polygon is called convex polygon if the line joining any two interior points of the polygon lies completely inside the window. So you can see in the figure AB is completely inside the polygon, means if we connect any 2 points within the polygon, they will surely be within the polygon only, right? And otherwise it is a concave polygon, so you can see in the diagram that A point, to connect A and B point, we have to go outside the polygon, so it is concave polygon. Next is positively oriented polygon. A polygon with vertices P1, P2, so on is called positively oriented if the tour of the vertices in given order produces counterclockwise circuit. So you can see in the figure that when we traverse from A to B, C to D, then there will be counterclockwise traversion, right? And in this case, the left side will be inside the polygon and right side will be outside the polygon. Similarly, in the negatively oriented polygon, if we tour the vertices like A, B, C, D, E, then it will be clockwise direction and it is called negatively oriented polygon, and in this case left side will be outside and right side will be inside. So let's see the algorithm used for polygon clipping. The algorithm is the Sutherland-Hodgman algorithm. Let's see what is in the algorithm. Suppose P1, P2 and so on to Pn are the vertices of the polygon to be clipped, and suppose there is an edge E that is determined by the endpoints A and B in the positively oriented convex polygon. Then we can find out the output through the following rules, right? So accordingly, we have 4 rules through which we can determine the output of the clipped polygon. Consider the edge Pi minus 1 and Pi. First rule is if both Pi minus 1 and Pi are to the left of the edge, you can see in first figure, then vertex Pi is placed on the vertex output list. In this case, output will be Pi. Second is if both Pi minus 1 and Pi are to the right of the edge, so in that case there will be no output because Pi and Pi minus 1 both are outside the clipping window, right? Third is if Pi minus 1 is to the left and Pi is to the right, then the intersection point I of line segment is calculated and it is placed on the output. So in this case intersection point will be the output. And in the fourth case, if Pi minus 1 is to the right and Pi is to the left, then there will be 2 outputs, that is intersection point and Pi. So next let's understand it with an example. So let's see Sutherland-Hodgman algorithm example. Suppose this is the figure where polygon is P1, P2, P3, P4 up to P8 and the clipping window is in the rectangular form. So we will see how we can extract the only region of the polygon which is visible in the window from the whole polygon, right? So first let's start from P1, P2. Since P1, P2 is the first edge of the clipping polygon that is to be considered, right? So we compare it with the edge that is left, right. I have also mentioned left and right so that we can easily understand which is the right portion and which is the left portion, right. So when I saw that P1, P2 against this edge, I find that P1, P2 is to the right of the edge of the clipping polygon. Since according to the rule, if this happens, then P1, P2 will not be considered, right. So P1 and P2 is rejected here. Next edge we will take P2, P3 and P2, P3 when we take against this edge also. It says that P2 is to the right, means Pi minus 1 is to the right and P3 is to the left. And in that case, according to the algorithm, the output is the intersection point and also the Pi point, right. So here intersection point and Pi point we have calculated here. This is final values, right. Next, if we take P3, P4 edge, right. Since P3, P4 edge, P3 is to the left and P4 is to the right, right. So in that case, only intersection point will be considered. So this will be the output. Next, if we take P4, P5 edge, since P4, P5 edge is to the right of the clip polygon, so it will not be considered. Next, if we talk about P5, P6. So we know that since P5 is to the right and P6 is to the left, in that case intersection point and PI point will be considered. So we have mentioned two values here. Next is P6, P7. Since P7 is to the right and P6 is to the left, so in that case we will take only intersection point, right? So we have taken intersection point. And next is P7, P8. Since P7, P8 is to the right of the edge, so there will be no output and the final solution will be like this. Thank you.